derived from U.S. military applications. We call this technology U.S. Military P. U.S. Military P has formally become standard equipment for the U.S. military since 1995. It was originally designed for lead-acid batteries used in military vehicles. According to a report in 1998, after using U.S. Military P, the cost savings of batteries by the American military was 79% in the first year to strengthen the electric arc of spark plugs. Gasoline mixture will burn more completely and saves gasoline by 5 to 25%. 2. Renew battery. Prolong battery's life by up to 200%. 3. Revolutionary, environmentally friendly. High-frequency pulse burns better to help reduce harmful emissions. The other benefits are: 1. More complete combustion aids in boosting horsepower. 2. In cold climates, at daybreak, midday, or at night, the vehicle will start more easily. 3. Older cars get that new feeling. A. Headlights are brighter. B. Air conditioning is cooler. C. Engine runs more smoothly. 3 principles of fuel savings are: 1. More complete combustion. When the car engine starts, the generator emits about 14 VCD, volts direct current, to the ignition coil, and then to ignition system makes fire from spark plugs. Machine's design utilizes a voltage-controlled oscillator, VCO, to generate nearly 1 million times high-frequency pulse per second. The pulse consequently produces about 1.5 volts of additional peak-to-peak alternate current signals, which are then carried through the battery to the ignition coil, and then to the ignition system when the ignition key is turned on. The pulse ultimately increases the output of the spark plugs, which results in a more complete combustion in the engine cylinder. More complete combustion can ensure the results in the following points together. 1. Reduce the fuel consumption. 2. Boost horsepower. 3. Reduce harmful emissions. 2. Reduce the misfire of the engine. The ignition success rate of a new gasoline car engine is about 98%. However, that percentage drops to 88% and lower on engines of cars 3 years or older due to aged ignition coils and added resistance in the electrical system. This results in increased fuel consumption. The high-frequency pulse from the F16 Pulse King can increase the ignition voltage and reduce the misfire rate and save fuel. 3. Reduce intermittent misfire during high-speed driving. A common occurrence is misfiring, the technology of increasing battery's life. The main cause of battery failure is sulfide accumulation on the battery plates. Sulfide accumulation occurs as lead sulfates form on the battery plates during normal charge and discharge cycles. EMC, electromagnetic compatibility rules, and EMC can be divided into EMI and EMS. We have CE safety certification as well as FCC safety certification. Additional fuel savings tests are underway at the esteemed SGS Test Laboratory. It is applicable to all types of equipment powered by battery, such as cars, motorcycles, trucks, buses, electric bicycles, boats, golf carts, power tools, emergency lights, solar batteries, UPS, and so on. Saving energy and environmentally friendly are the 2 most important issues for people in the 21st century.